Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some mokkablokkies. I found this recipe in one of my Oma's old recipe books. It's in Afrikaans, but I'll translate it for this video. If there's any other recipes you want me to make, please leave in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Today I'll show you how to make mokkablokkies. This recipe is from my Oma's old recipe book. These recipes are in Afrikaans, so I'll be translating the recipe. The book says, 'n mens kan hulle ook in die plek van pudding saam met koffie na ete voorsit, which means a person can have these mokkablokkies in the place of pudding and pair it with a cup of coffee after dinner. For the cake, there's 2 eggs, 300 ml sugar, 450 ml flour, 15 ml baking powder, a pinch of salt, 150 ml milk, 175 ml melted butter, 25 ml cocoa powder, 5 ml vanilla essence, and for the sauce is 35 ml icing sugar, 100 ml melted butter, 100 ml strong coffee, 25 ml cocoa powder and 5 ml vanilla essence, and 200 ml coconut. Now to start, in a bowl with 2 eggs, add in 300 ml of sugar and mix until light and pale in color. Add in a pinch of salt. Sift in 450 ml of flour. (15 ml baking powder). And mix slightly. Add in 175 ml of melted butter, 150 ml milk, and 5 ml vanilla essence. Mix until smooth. Sprinkle over 25 ml of cocoa powder and mix it through. Pour the mixture into lined baking trays and smooth it out evenly. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the sauce, add in 350 ml of icing sugar, 100 ml of melted butter, 5 ml of vanilla essence, 100 ml strong coffee, and 25 ml cocoa powder. Mix until well combined. Pour the sauce evenly over the cakes. Add 200 ml of coconut on top. Make sure to distribute the coconut evenly. Cut into blocks and enjoy. These taste almost like Lamingtons, which is my favorite, so these are definitely something to make if you have some free time on your hands.